ये है वॉल्यूम और ये है ट्रांसफर। दोनों को फिक्सिंग किया जाता है।
Urban skylines today reflect high-tech innovation as they project building blocks in dynamic forms with new-age materials. Construction workers too are upskilling themselves to keep pace with advancing technology as they contribute to the growing demand and ever-changing trends in the building construction industry. Glass is one of the pivotal materials used for shaping futuristic building skins. We see awe-inspiring techniques of creating sleek exterior facades and stunning interior spaces of various building typologies. As we encounter newer means of using the material in robust ways, blending style with functionality and cutting-edge technology with energy efficiency, behind these striking facades are the skilled hands of our Shramiks who undergo rigorous training to learn new techniques and who craft the skylines that captivate our imagination. In this set of videos, our Shramiks will teach us the techniques in assembling a glass facade. What will you learn in this video? Before we get into the nuances, let us try and understand the different types of glazing systems that are used according to their systems of assembly. There are primarily three types of glazing systems: the unitized system, stick-built system, and the semi-unitized system. In unitized systems, entire panels or units of the facade are prefabricated off-site and then installed onto the building skin. Stick-built systems, on the other hand, involve assembling the individual components on-site. A semi-unitized glass facade system is a type of building facade construction that combines elements of both unitized and stick-built systems. We will specifically learn from the Shramiks about the semi-unitized systems of glass facades in this set of videos. In a semi-unitized system, some parts of the facade are pre-assembled off-site as modules, while other parts are assembled on-site. This approach offers advantages such as faster installation compared to traditional stick-built systems and greater quality control due to prefabrication. At the same time, it allows for some flexibility in on-site assembly, especially for components that may need adjustments or customization during installation. Semi-unitized glass facade systems are commonly used in contemporary building construction, particularly for high-rise structures, where speed, efficiency, and quality are important considerations. Let us look at the various components of a semi-unitized glass facade system. There are mainly four types of components involved. The off-site assembled glass frames, which are modules of aluminium frame fixed with glass, and the primary structural members that are assembled on-site consist of a grid of two primary members, the vertical members or mullions and the horizontal members or transoms. Shramik Sarvesh Singh speaks about the primary components used to build the structural framing units.
सर ये मूलियम है। मूलियम को पहले हम मार्किंग करते हैं। जो एक्चुअल ड्राइंग दिया जाता है उसके हिसाब से हम इसको, जो आर्किटेक्ट जो अपना ड्राइंग फाइनल करते हैं उसके हिसाब से हम इनका क्लिटिंग और ट्रांजम कटिंग करते हैं, नोचिंग करेंगे। नोचिंग करने के बाद इसको इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए लेके जाएंगे। यह है मूलियम और ये है ट्रांजम, दोनों को फिक्सिंग किया जाता है।
The other components include gaskets and sealants for insulating joints, and installation hardware that consists of toggles, brackets, various fasteners and clips. Let us take a quick recap of what we've learned so far. With that glimpse into the world of glass facades, let us explore this world through the lens of our Shramiks. In the next video, we will learn all about the process of installation and assembly of the glass facade system from Shramik Sarvesh. Hope you continue learning and evolve your knowledge on building techniques from the hands that build.